sunshine into your
Hey guys, we're making a restaurant quality dinner in 20 minutes. No stress, just flavor in Claudie Cook's kitchen. Let's get into it. Woohoo! Let's prep our ingredients for our honey garlic pineapple prawn skewers. 1/3 cup honey, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar, 4 cloves of garlic, and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. I want a bit of heat to this, so I'm adding some Scotch bonnet. I'm adding a bit of cornstarch just to get the sauce a bit thick and sticky so it sticks to everything, thus giving a really good money shot on those skewers. In we go with that. Let's drop an extra bit of flavor to our prawns. In with a touch of olive oil. Old Bay, 1/4 teaspoon. Green seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon. Onion and garlic granules, as much or as little as you like. Mixy. Pinch of salt and black pepper. We're going to add half of the marinade. Quick mix. We're going to set it aside and just let that marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes, nothing more. Let's prep our pineapple for the skewers. Let's prep our veg. We're going to assemble them to look something like this. So let's go. Our griddle pan is really nice and hot. You can see the heat coming off of it. And now we're going to go in and just cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm using the reserve marinade to brush over them now as well. See, 20 minutes and you have a meal that looks and tastes this incredible. If you're team spicy, don't forget to add those extra pepper flakes or Scotch bonnet. If you love this easy summer vibe, you have to check out my salmon nourishing bowl. It's the perfect accompaniment for these skewers. Hit the subscribe button for more Caribbean fusion that loves you back. I am Claudie Cooks, and I will see you in the next video. Woo-hoo! Quick taste test. Honestly, guys, the marinade is so flavorful. I can taste a pop of ginger, garlic, green seasoning, the ginger, the honey, the soy sauce. Honestly, it's absolutely delicious, and I'm going to go and eat this. Add this to your summer barbecue. It's delicious and it will disappear quickly, and you'll thank me later. See you in the next video.
Claudie Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Claudie Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.